Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
so how the circumstances led to the expulsion of Albert Einstein, it has been given in the chapter. Put the date on the chapter, children. Write down the date. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
So when the chapter begins, beta, we find that Albert Einstein, he's in the history class and he's having a conversation, maybe a hot conversation with his history teacher. Okay. In what year, Einstein asked the history teacher, did the Prussians defeat the French at Waterloo? I don't know, sir. Who replies Einstein? Why don't you know? The teacher says you have been told it often enough. Einstein, he answers, I must have forgotten. Mr. Braun, who was the history teacher, he says, did you ever try to learn? No, Albert said. He replied with his usual unthinking honesty. Why not? The teacher asked. I can't see any point in learning dates. One can also look them up in a book. Mr. Brown was speechless for a few moments. You amaze me, Einstein, he said at last. Don't you realize that one can always look most of the things up in books? That applies to all the facts you learn at school. Yes, sir, Albert says. Then I suppose you don't see any point in learning facts. The teacher, he asked. Frankly, sir, I don't, said Albert. So now what happens when the lesson it begins? Albert is having a conversation with the teacher, and the teacher asks Albert about the year in which the War of Waterloo, it took place, and the Prussians they defeated the French people. The War of Waterloo. Sorry, beta one. Now, as always, Albert Einstein he does not remember it. Okay, and Mr. Brown, he says that did you ever try to learn this? He bluntly refuses, and he says that the teacher also tells him, "Ki so many times you have been told that in which year the war it took place and in which year Prussians they defeated the French people." So he replies in a very blunt manner that he might have forgotten. The teacher again puts up a question: "Ki did he ever try to learn about the year, okay, or about the dates when the war it took place?" He says, "No, I did not learn it." Okay, and it was his usual way of answering. The teacher asked him the reason why didn't you learn. Okay, टीचर ने पूछा भाई क्यों नहीं लर्न करा. तो वो कहते हैं I do not see any point in learning dates, because one can always look them up in a book. Okay, मुझे नहीं लगता कि learning dates is important. Why? Because if you want to find out for the date, surely you can open a book and you can just see the date in it. Okay, and he finds it very pointless to learn the date. Now, when this answer was given to the teacher he became dumbstruck and he did not reply for a few seconds. Finally, the teacher he says, "Okay, then most of the things that are taught in the school, okay, they can also be looked up in the book, and then there is no point in mugging up the facts and everything." लेकिन इस पर भी एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन कहते हैं, of course sir, I do agree with you. Now the teacher he becomes angry. Then you don't believe in education at all. Okay, अब टीचर को थोड़ा गुस्सा आने लगा. वो कहते हैं इसका मतलब you don't have any trust, you don't believe in education system and all. Oh yes sir, I do. I don't think learning facts is education. Okay, okay, Albert very clearly he says yes. Okay, Even I don't believe in education and all, और उनका मानना है कि learning facts जो होता है वो education नहीं है. Okay, merely आप facts को digest कर रहे हो according to Albert Einstein. Okay, that is not education. In that case, said the history teacher with heavy sarcasm, perhaps you will be so kind as to tell the class the Einstein theory of education. Okay, now the history teacher, he tried to mock him. Okay, उसको उसकी हंसी उड़ाने की कोशिश करी. टीचर बड़े गुस्से में आ गया, बोले sure then, come on, come and stand here and tell the whole class the Einstein theory of education according to you. What is education? Albert flushed. And I think it is not facts that matter, but idea, he says. I don't see the point in learning the dates of battles or even which of the armies killed more men. अब एल्बर्ट जो था he flushed. वो कहता है I don't think, मुझे ये लगता है कि it is not fact जो मैटर करते हैं, बट आइडियाज ज्यादा मैटर करते हैं. और कहता है आई डोंट सी एनी पॉइंट, मुझे नहीं लगता कि लर्निंग डेट्स इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट, लर्निंग डेट्स ऑफ बैटल्स. ओके, कि इन विच ईयर और ऑन विच डेट दिस एंड दैट बैटल हैपेंड, तो उसमें कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं है. और इवन विच ऑफ द आर्मीज किल मोर मैन, ओके, किसकी आर्मी ने ज्यादा आदमी मारे, है ना, ज्यादा अपने एनिमीज को मारा. आई डोंट सी एनी पॉइंट इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. I would be more interested in learning why those soldiers were trying to kill each other. Now he says why. What he wants to tell us that he wants to, it is more important to know the reasons, okay? Ki why, you know, the armies, you know, they were killing, they were trying to kill each other. What was the reason behind it? That's enough. Mr. Brown's eyes were cold and cruel. We don't want a lecture from you, Einstein. You will stay in for an extra period together today, although I don't imagine it will do you much good. Now, teacher on continuous back answering from the student, you know, finally it happens. The teacher, he becomes very angry and he stops him and says, we don't need any lectures from you, Einstein. Now today for this you are going to get a punishment, you're going to stay back, okay, for an extra period. And he then further adds on ki, yes, I don't think that it is going to do any good to you. Why? Because now Einstein has become habitual of such kinds of punishments. Okay, a student who is punished every day, you know, धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाता है, वो accustomed हो जाता है बेटा, habitual हो जाता है. Okay, तो वो कहते हैं कि staying back, though I'm asking you to stay back for an extra period, but it is not going to do any good to you, neither it will do any good to the school. ना ही school को कुछ भला होगा, ना तुम्हारा भला होगा. And then he says you are a disgrace. I don't know why you continue to come. और उसको काफी डांटते हैं टीचर और कहते हैं यू आर रियली डिसग्रेसिंग एंड आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन स्टडीज व्हाई डू यू कम टू school. It is not my wish, Sir Albert pointed out. Now Albert, he says, sir, it's not my wish, okay, मैं अपनी इच्छा से नहीं आता हूँ. Then you are an ungrateful boy and ought to be ashamed of yourself. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. Okay. और टीचर जो थे उनको और गुस्सा आ जाता है, कहता है यू आर रियली एन अनग्रेटफुल बॉय एंड you should be ashamed. Okay, and also advises him that ask means also advises Albert Einstein to ask his father to take him away from the school if he is not interested. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. See the argument, you know,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
begins. This is the history class going on, and the teacher, he tries to ask the year. Okay, in which year did Prussians they defeated French people, French army? Okay, at the War of Waterloo. But Albert, he does not know the answer, and he says that he is not interested in learning the dates or the number of people they are killed in the war. He's not learning, he's not interested in learning all these things. He says that anybody can look up for these things in a book, okay, but he's more interested in to know the reasons why they were fighting with each other. So this thing, it continues, and finally the teacher, he becomes very angry and gives him and gives him a punishment to stay back in the school for an extra period, though the teacher also added that it is not going to do any good to him or to the school. Why? Because Albert, now he's a habitual, he's accustomed of such kinds of punishment, right? And the teacher, he expresses his displeasure, and Albert also says that even he is not interested to be in the school. The teacher calls him disgraceful and ungrateful and asks him to call his father so that he might take him away from the school. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see, Albert felt miserable. Now he was very unhappy when he left school that afternoon. Not that it had been a bad day. Most days were bad now anyway. But because he had to go back to the hateful place the next morning. So now Albert, he was quite unhappy when he left the school. अब reason ये नहीं था कि it was a bad day. ऐसे students who are not interested in studies, almost all the days, that they attend in the school are bad days only, right? लेकिन ये सोचकर कि again tomorrow morning I have to go to that hateful place. Okay, what was the hateful place according to Albert? The school. He only wished his father would take him away, but there was no point in even asking. अब उसकी तो यही wish थी एल्बर्ट की कि father might take him away, लेकिन he knew father would never agree, so there wasn't any point in asking him to take him away from the school. He knew what the answer would be. He would have to stay until he had taken his diploma. और जब तक school education का diploma वो नहीं ले ले, उसको मालूम था he had to stay there. Now see, going back to his lodgings did not cheer him up. To his lodgings means the room, the rented room where he was living there. That also did not make him happy to return to his room. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarters of Munich. Okay, अब एल्बर्ट के फादर के पास पैसा ज्यादा था नहीं, limited availability of cash थी, so he had to stay with the poorest neighborhood in Munich. The poorest quarters थे ना, वहां पर रहना पड़ता था. He did not mind the bad food and lack of comfort or even the dirt and the squalor, but he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Okay, it was a place somewhat like a slum. तो वो कहते हैं कि ही डिड नॉट माइंड द वहाँ का बैड फूड या लैक ऑफ कंफर्ट से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, लेकिन वहाँ का जो वायलेंट एटमॉस्फेयर था दैट ही डिड नॉट लाइक. हु डिड नॉट लाइक? एल्बर्ट. His landlady beat her children regularly, and every Saturday her husband came drunk and beat her. Now see what happened. He did not like the violence of that place, and even the landlady's family, it was a violent type of a family. And every day that landlady, she used to beat her kids every now and then. Okay, रोज पिटाई करती थी और रोज बच्चों को मारती थी. Whereas Saturdays आते थे तो husband, he used to come and he used to beat his wife. He used to come home drunk and he used to beat his wife. So this was the routine. समझ में आ गया? रोज तो she used to beat her children, and every Saturday husband, he came drunk and he used to beat his wife. So a violent sort of atmosphere was there that was not liked by Albert. Now, see, in the next para, in the next lines, we find that he's talking to, he has only one of the, sorry, he has only one friend, and his name was Yuri. So he's in conversation with Yuri, and they are having the conversation. बातचीत हो रही है. But at least you have a room of your own, which is more than I can say, said Yuri when he called round in the evening. At least you live among civilized human beings, even if they are all poor students. So now he is talking to Yuri, and Yuri says that you should be happy, okay, that at least you are having a separate room to live, right? It means Yuri was sharing his room with other students. तो कहता है तुम तो लकी हो कि कम से कम एक सेपरेट रूम तो है तुम्हारे पास रहने के लिए. So Albert, he says, at least you live among civilized human beings, even they are all poor students, said Albert. Okay. अब एल्बर्ट कहता है दैट इज फाइन, आई एम हैविंग अ सेपरेट रूम, बट सबसे बढ़िया बात क्या है, यूरी को कहता है कि एटलीस्ट यू हैव अ गुड एनवायरमेंट. ओके, यू लिव अमंग सिविलाइज्ड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वेयर दे डू नॉट फाइट, यू नो वायलेंस इज देयर. They are not all civilized. लेकिन यूरी क्लैरिफाई करता है, नो दे आर नॉट ऑल civilized. कोई वेल मैनर्ड वहां पर सब नहीं है. Did you not hear that one of them was killed last week in a duel? Duel is a fight of two people. Okay. तो कहते हैं तुमने सुना नहीं कि लास्ट वीक है ना हमारे एरिया में one of them was killed when they were fighting, two of them were fighting, one was killed. And what happens to the one who killed him? Albert कहता है okay fine, but what happened to the one who killed him, means who murdered him? What happened to him? Nothing, of course. अच्छा, जिसने उसको मारा उसका क्या हुआ, एल्बर्ट पूछता है. तो यूरी कहता है कुछ नहीं हुआ. ही इज इवन proud of it. Now he's feeling more proud, he has done some brave deed. His only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. Okay. अब वो कहता है कि बस वो इसीलिए चिंतित है. he is worried. क्यों? क्योंकि अथॉरिटी ने ये कह दिया है, पुलिस ने ये कह दिया है कि now you are not going to fight such kind of duels where a person is to be killed. Okay, इस तरह से you are not going to kill anybody, मतलब ऐसे duels तुम fight नहीं करोगे. ओके. एंड वो लेकिन उसके बाद भी वो काफी रिग्रेट कर रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो वो क्या बोल रहा है, he is even more proud of it. His only worry is that the authorities have told him not to fight any more duels. He is upset about this because he hasn't a single scar on his face to wear for the rest of his life as a badge of honor. Ah, exclaimed Albert, and these are the students. Well, you will be a student one day, said Yuri. I doubt it, said Albert glumly. Okay, seriously, he says, and he's doubtful. तो वो कहता है, यूरी कहता है कि the boy or the man who had killed him, he is not at all ashamed. Rather, he is proud of his deed, and the authorities have done nothing. He is not arrested or so on. He has been left after doing some of the formalities, and the authorities have warned him not to fight such duels. Okay, and he's only regretting, he's not regretting that he had killed a man, but he only regrets that he does not have any scar on his face. Okay, scar यानी कोई निशान नहीं है, कोई मारपीट खरोंच या जो उसने इतनी ब्रेव डीड करी है ऑफ किलिंग समबडी, उसका कोई निशान नहीं है. Okay, that he could carry as a symbol of bravery. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
those dada type persons, कोई उनके निशान होता है, and if somebody asks भाई ये किसका है, तो बड़े उससे कहते हैं, I had a fight with him, उसको मार दिया था, चाकू लग गया था मुझे, this and that. तो अब ये जिसने उसको मारा है, डुअल की जो फाइट थी, यूरी बता रहा है, तो जिसने मारा है कहता है अथॉरिटीज ने कुछ नहीं करा, थोड़ी बहुत उसको वार्निंग दे दी कि भाई ऐसी फाइट मत करना, और वो काफी रिग्रेट फील कर रहा है. किस लिए? इसलिए नहीं कि he had killed somebody, लेकिन इसलिए कि he is not having any scar, okay, on his face or on his body to carry it as a symbol of bravery. Okay, bravery, वो काफी bravery का एक्ट मान रहा है, तो कह रहा है ऐसा कोई स्कार उसकी बॉडी पर नहीं है. ओके, तो एल्बर्ट जो है वो कहता है ओ देन दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. ओके, नाउ सी in the next pair. I don't think I'll ever pass the exams for the school diploma. तो एल्बर्ट भी कहता है कि one day even you will be a student. Okay, student means you are going to qualify the school. Okay, you are going to get the diploma. तो आगे वो कहता है कि I don't think I'll ever pass the exams for the school diploma. मुझे नहीं लगता कि I'm going to pass the exam for the school diploma. He told his cousin Elsa the same next time she came to Munich. Now what happens? Now this statement, Elsa was his cousin और म्यूनिच जाती थी उससे मिलने, तो उससे बातचीत हो रही है और एल्सा उसको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही है एल्बर्ट को. तो एल्बर्ट ही सेज कि मुझे नहीं लगता आई एम गोइंग टू पास द स्कूल एग्जाम्स एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गेट एनी डिप्लोमा. He told his cousin Elsa the same next time. You know, better later on, Albert was married to a girl, okay, whom he studied, but later on, what happens? He divorced him and he married this girl, Elsa, his cousin. So he told his cousin Elsa the same next time she came to Munich. Normally, she lived in Berlin where her father had a business. राइट. अब जब एल्सा मिलने आती है म्यूनिच में तो उससे ये बात करता है कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि आई एम गोइंग टू पास द स्कूल डिप्लोमा. क्यों? क्योंकि ही वाज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन स्कूल स्टडीज. ओके, ही वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन साइंस एंड मैथ्स. राइट, मैथ्स इट वाज टॉट इन द स्कूल, लेकिन साइंस वगैरह उस समय पढ़ाई नहीं जाती. Normally, she lived in Berlin where her father had a business. I'm sure you could learn enough to pass the exams, Albert, if you tried. अब उसको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही है कि you can learn so much, है ना? Enough you can learn that इतना तो you can learn that you might pass the examination. At least you can learn enough, है ना, to pass the examination. यदि आप कोशिश करोगे तो surely you are going to pass, she said. और आगे वो कहती है, I know lots of boys who are much more stupid than you are, but who get through. कहती कई बच्चों को जानती हूँ, they are much more stupid, okay, they are much more duffers than you are, but still they pass in the exam, they clear the exams. They say you don't have to know anything, you don't have to understand, okay, what you are taught. अब ऐसे बच्चों का क्या कहना है कि तुम्हें कुछ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ समझने की जरूरत नहीं है. whatever has been taught in the school, just be able to repeat in the exam. उसको cram करो, learn it by heart, है ना, उसको रट लो, okay, and just do it in the exam. Okay, तो एल्बर्ट कहता है that is the whole thing. Okay, यही तो है. I cannot cram anything, okay, I cannot learn anything by heart. अच्छी है ना, मैं रट नहीं सकता किसी भी चीज को. आई एम नो गुड एट लर्निंग थिंग्स बाय हार्ट. क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine then. God
Yes,
bless
ma'am.
you. Revise it, okay?
Yes,
ma'am.
Thank
Revise
you,
it,
ma'am.
right? God
thank
bless
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank